Hey y'all, good morning. We finna take us a trip. If these children come on, let's go. Oh, they so slow. Special Michaela. Michaela, let's go. Got Nitra. We going on a trip. Nitra wanna go on a trip, so we going on a trip with Nitra. Cause she wanna go on a trip, so we going on a trip. Y'all see Nitra up in here, anything? And Maya. I know y'all can't see them. Nitra.
What?
You finally taking me to IKEA.
A miss.
Shaka laka, shaka laka, shaka laka, shaka. This is road trip food for sure. Yeah, I have been here. Oh my god.
Wait, take a thumbnail. Take a picture. Take a picture.
That's a road trip, yeah.
A minute. Go back, Michaela. I want to see you. Oh. I forgot about you because you should have.
I'm sorry, I can't do things without. I can't. I don't know. Boy, I have.
You will have a free drink like me and Michaela.
I have a lot of trouble getting things. You know this.
Yeah.
They flunked. That's the punchline.
I had this hooked up correctly and it wasn't falling. Then CJ had to disturb. Oh, I need sauce on my side.
Yeah, like that. Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati.
The first version of a window over there.
Paparazzi catch my fly in my cocky fresh.
Not fresh at all.
Well, we made it to
The closest thing to fresh you've ever done
all the
is
way in Atlanta.
They still.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay, look.
Watch this, mommy. Watch this. Watch this.
Oh my.
Why?
Oh my God.
Our kids are ridiculous. Boy, come on here. We about to be at the elevator. You can tie your shoe in the elevator. You just wonder why our kids don't do that. Never get our kids.
I need to tie my shoe.
What?
I need to tie my shoe. My light up shoe. Okay.
Turn your shoes on. Let's see what they working with.
Shoe, he turned it on, mommy.
I
told you.
CJ tied his shoe, girl.
You should have heard that man get in the car with his kids. He said, that's why you should take your medicine, kids.
Okay.
Let's go. Like,
Gonna get hit by a car because of CJ. Wait, what are you doing?
mess it up.
They can't go this way. It's cars that way. You drop cars.
Still finna get hit by a car.
Okay,
I'm
go.
finna hit him.
Let's go. Walk ahead.
Light up shoes.
Light up. When you have light up shoes, you're supposed to break out and dance. No dancing.
Puma jacket.
Had so much fun on my IKEA journey. Adventures in IKEA. Okay, look. We having so much fun in our IKEA journey.
I love IKEA because I like the displays.
I've never been here before.
Kitchen displays, looking inside the cabinets to see what kind of IKEA brand food they got. Are you getting meat? You getting this?
Do that again? What you just did? Hey, your purse.
Go over and get your IKEA code.
Apparently there's an IKEA daycare and food now. They have a daycare there. And you can drop your children off. But unfortunately my children too big. Yes, they do look fun in there. Unfortunately I gotta take these two with me because they too big to be in the IKEA daycare. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. It's loud. It's really loud.
Yeah, I'm ready.
In here. So we're at IKEA shopping.
Check the fit. You don't see her? Check the fit. She the Gucci belt on.
Mommy, can we go test these products over here?
No, we can go down there. At that very
CJ, don't film me.
Stop.
$1.49. Look at that bed set over there. Oh, get out of the way.
I don't like vanilla nothing. These 99 cents.
Those are 99 cents.
They 99 cents. Yes.
99 cents.
That smells good. That smells pretty good to me.
Got two of those to hold my candles in.
Stop, get on our face.
Not
This is a problem.
Create your bedroom for under 800.
Let me see this. This is a problem. My shopper cart is already filling up.
This is cool. It doubles as a bag too.
Well, yeah, that's what it is.
This what you want to look at. This one, Michaela.
Okay, guys, this is a day in the life of Kaya in her own house. She's doing a house tour now. What is this, Kaya? Oh, where'd you get this couch from?
I gotta show you something. I gotta show you something.
Oh, where'd you get these lights from? I gotta show you something. Oh, yes. No, close it. No, close it. Close it. Yeah, close it. See that? Let it go. Let it go. Close it.
Okay, so you know, I'm just leisurely. I just leisurely want to wine.
Oh,
glass. I just leisurely, and so I just.
Oh, that works.
Martini and
Look, all you have to do with this one is you like,
The heck? Why is it so far out?
take your little nice cup and get some drink.
Yes. I'm living for that. Oh, look at this cute little couch. I want that in my room.
Now I have to like this.
Let's walk in here. Let's walk in here. Kaya, give us a tour. Hi guys, this is a tour of my room. My studio apartment. This is my couch. This is my television. This is my wall with my television on it and my stand. My TV.
Would you like spaghetti?
Oh, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
let me make some.
This is so fun. I like this. This is nice. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna ask for this. Hey, I want that one. I want that one.
I told you, Kai. You know what?
That one. I want that one. A studio apartment.
This studio.
Go look at it though. Look at it. Look at that studio apartment. Yeah, I want that studio apartment. Look at this. Look at this studio apartment. It's so little, tiny. I My studio apartments on the Sims look like that.
Listen. This is my apartment right here. Okay.
This is your living room for No, wait, where's the bedroom? Oh no, this is your one bedroom apartment.
I don't have children here at all. Those chairs. Look. Michaela, I don't have any kids, and I live alone, and I'm a single bachelor.
A spinster,
But I got
an old
pink
person.
couch. But listen, I got the pink couch, and I got clear chairs. I have pink furniture.
Yes. Only pink accents, nothing. Look at your view of a parking lot.
Take a picture of me doing something.
But I don't have kids, and why the kids are here, I don't know.
Why are there kids in here? Oh no, I don't know. Where they come from? I don't know. No, you'll never know. This is cute. Buy it.
It used to be on the side of the thing.
Buy it with your money.
So pretty.
At first I thought this is salmonella.
It don't say how much.
I already started in my room. I need a rug now because I really want a rug.
This is my new boyfriend's house because this is a bachelor party. I done came over here and
I'm really hungry.
I don't have children in this dream.
Look inside. Man, I guess they took the real food out because people were eating it.
They have real food?
Yeah, the last time I was here, the long time ago.
What makes us sick?
I looked in the cabinet and there was a jar of peanut butter, and then I looked inside the jar of peanut butter and some of it was gone. Like a whole scoop.
$29.
Well, I want a chair for my room.
I need a coffee.
Oh, I want a rug. Ooh, I want a vibrant chair. Can I have a vibrant chair and some wall paint?
First off, in my dream, I told you I don't have children.
But in your real life, you do. You have two of them. I want a vibrant chair.
I want them to go away.
And some paint.
Like these for like outdoors.
Those look cute. Those look cute. Sturdy. Looks like. Nailed to the shelf. Looks like.
Oh, I love those chairs.
Mommy, is this your holiday room with no children?
No.
I like this.
This is my favorite part.
Saying you hungry. You like this? I like this. I like this. It's a lot of brown.
College student.
It's a lot of brown though. So just said this is me working on my desktop.
You heard me, but they parents don't know. There you go, because that's your college.
Oh, I love this, but less orange because orange is not the color I like.
I gotta get to next month for you.
Love the details.
Girl, they sample wine in here. Why are you so close to my face?
What do they do here, Kaya? What do they do here?
Oh,
Do you like
wine.
IKEA
It's
now?
non-alcoholic, but I'll take it anyway.
Oh, so I can drink some too?
I can drink
Yay.
Apple, Lincolnberry, and pear.
Pear and apple?
pomegranate in the middle.
A pomegranate. Wait, this is apple? Cheers. You guys can have some too. How does that taste? So good.
Boy,
It's apple. That's pretty good.
You said this one. What got my back? This one again?
This is apple pomegranate.
this one right here. Can they see it? Kaya.
Oh, yeah.
This one is mixing together.
Mix what together?
That's delicious.
Mix all of them together? Pomegranate. I think this might be apple.
Apple. Right now, I only have the apple lingonberry out.
Oh no, that was pomegranate actually. That was good.
The mix together good.
I need you over here, Russell.
Well, like pomegranate.
I said I need you over here.
Pomegranate's good, guys. Pomegranate's good. Did you taste the pomegranate?
You know what I'm looking at?
Yes, I want it now. I want it now.
Yes. You know my TV is on a shelf like that.
Okay,
The whole display.
but it's not this though. I want this, and I want it now. I want this in the same, not in the same room, but in the same house with that pink couch.
These from the bathroom. I need it.
Okay,
Go sit on the chair.
you know. Yeah. This IKEA store is a little bit overwhelming. It's a lot. They got a. Oh my God! They got a pink kitchen. Forget the mixing bowl. I'm looking at this pink kitchen. My dreams. I love pink. Oh no! Come on. Where you can get the what?
Yeah.
Look at this. Hey, look. I want y'all to film the kitchen of my dream.
I want this one too.
CJ, no. You stay right here.
Brady kitchen.
This kitchen is okay.
See, stop filming her. Film her on her own channel. Okay, guys. Stop. Look, guys. This is
And turn around. Look. Yes. Go
What are we
far
having
away.
for dinner?
Go far away.
What are we having for dinner?
Go far away. How to go see you in my
Cookie jar.
Okay, let's go.
Seems dirty.
See how much they don't have like no wall saying this is how much it's
$29.99.
oh.
This comes with sheets. Okay, so are you getting this? This one? Here, stand up.
Get them too.
This is my. Stop. What are you doing? Go back up there. Why did you tell me I was looking for a date day?
Cute or whatever. Yeah, this is my dream set, but not this dark color. Lighter, but yeah.
One of these man rugs in your room.
Go all the way back. So look,
Y'all look at these man rugs. I'm kidding.
I killed the cow.
I don't think I would want this in my room. This would make me uncomfortable.
that cow. I shot him.
I don't think this is real.
Me either. It would still make me uncomfortable because like it's like that would make me.
$169.
Because it feels like a horse. Because I've rode a horse before. It feels like a horse. Mommy, don't this feel like a horse? This feel like no. This one feel like a horse.
This is definitely artificial.
This feel like a horse.
Okay.
But as I was saying, our couch is like this color, right, guys? So like it's like this color, but like suede, and then pink, light pink pillows, like pastel pink, pastel-y, light pink pillows.
This one feels really fake.
Feels like a horse. Fake
Feels
horse.
fake.
Feels
Really
like a fake
fake.
horse.
Like really fake.
Why is the basket on the floor?
Now this feels like a horse. I can feel it.
Okay. Let's buy some hangers. Let's buy some hangers. Let's buy some hangers.
I need hangers.
So-
Actually, no, I don't. I don't need hangers.
That's enough.
That's enough hangers. Probably need some more. But
It's
all good.
3 of them.
oh, we should get 3 of them too. But
I don't need any.
there's 3 sets of human beings.
I know. What's 50 cents? I don't even care. It's just a cover.
A what? A what? We need some of these.
No, we don't.
We need these.
Just because it's 50 cents?
You have to buy this.
No, we need them
too.
because
you have to
they're
buy
things.
This too. Like, hey, look.
Oh, true. We need those. Say, why did you say they better provide me with everything I need? Oh, we need a cap. We need to get one of those. we need to get this. We need to get this and then get a cat again.
No.
Yes.
Never.
Mommy, you love that cat. I
Not
know you love that cat. You
Not
loved
again.
him.
We never get in the cat again.
Remember, Mommy, remember Buttons? You liked him.
No.
Mommy, look at this Caligerian. Look at this Caligerian.
Look, she is so close.
Look at this Caligerian. Look at this cowgirl. Oh, we need to buy a cat first.
I refuse to.
Why? Can I have a fish?
We are not good pet owners.
I'm a great pet owner. That cat was in my
How long do we
care.
have that fish?
It was, but guess
Mommy.
what? You broke out from head to
Mother,
toe.
Can I get a
How long
gerbil?
do we have that fish?
Oh no, we was a good fish owner. We had that fish.
we
for
get
like,
Okay, first of all, y'all talking about
we had that
fish.
fish for 2.5 years.
Can we have another fish then?
Oh, we need a candelabra for sure.
Yeah, we can get another
We need a
fish.
candelabra for sure. My stomach hurts. Light bill look like.
IKEA goes on and on
And on and on and on. I wonder what they light bill look like for
Why
real.
is those light bulbs called $50?
Cause they stay for like ever.
Yeah, those stay for like years.
Let's see.
Okay, 4 hours later.
Imagine one day you go to IKEA.
We are done.
The $50
We did IKEA. We had a wonderful time in IKEA. I got a whole basket full of things. I will do a haul for you guys. IKEA has everything. Even got the store, like you can buy some groceries. Like, seriously. Oh, this was crazy. As you can see, they got stuff.
No printer.
They got slushies and hot dogs and cinnamon rolls.
We paid for it, soda.
That boy eat. But yeah, we had a good time.
But all in all, that was a
I'm
good
gonna
day.
end the vlog here because we gotta drive 2 hours back home. And yeah, I hope y'all have a fantastic Saturday.
Yeah, that was a good day.
Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Now it's time to pay the price.
No. No. Bye, y'all.
Yeah.